Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to be reviewing the RedBird vintage box, and they did give this to me, so thank you. But they did not pay me to say any of the things I'm going to be saying in this video, so you can be sure that all my opinions will be authentic. Now, I'm sure you've heard of this already, but if you haven't before, basically this is a monthly subscription where you get a bunch of vintage items based on the tier that you select. So they have 3 different tiers, and the higher you go, the more items you get, but also the more expensive they get. So these lovely ladies go and pick out items that you would like based on the style that you wrote down in the description thing that I have you fill out, and I'm very curious to see if they got this accurately. Now, before we get started, I want to mention that I have the Lorraine box, which comes with 5 items. But yeah, let's go ahead and open it. I just removed the ribbon that was around this, and on the ribbon that was attached like this is this adorable theater brooch. I love it. You guys know I love acting. And I don't know, I did not mention this in my description, so I don't know if they looked on my channel to figure this out or this is just a really awesome coincidence, but I love it either way. I think it's awesome, and I'm excited to wear this. I really am. Alright, so underneath all that is 2 little postcards. The first one being 2 girls on a heart. I'm guessing a Valentine's Day, a Valentine's Day card. This is the February box, so that is why, and I think that's a perfect picture to choose. And on the back is a little thank you note. Now, the second note that it comes with is just a description of the items that you received, which I'm not even going to read because I want this all to be a surprise. So let's go ahead and finally open up what's inside. Oh, this is so cute! So I mentioned that I love floral, so I'm really excited that they actually found something floral. I am so excited to wear this. I love this, and I love the vintage smell. They do wash it, but that smell just doesn't leave. It's just with the garment. I love that smell. So the second thing in the box is, oh, it looks like a set because they're the same color, so let's see. Now, this is quite interesting because seeing this on the rack, I would have never chosen it, but seeing it on the body gives me some inspiration. So if you guys don't follow me already on Instagram, make sure you do because you most likely will be seeing me rocking this outfit very soon. Alright, so the next item is it is a Disneyland collar clip. That's what I call them, but I'm pretty sure they're called something else. Anything that has to do with my childhood, like Disney or Nickelodeon, is the key to my heart. I adore this, and I'm so excited to wear this to Disney now. Yay! Okay, so the next thing is this little handbag, and I'm guessing you can, yeah, this is one of the items. Oh, that is so cute! With the poodle skirt though? Yes! That is so adorable. Okay, so they tied this onto there to kind of give you some inspo on how to wear it besides on your neck. And I actually like this idea, so I'm going to leave it on this. Oh, okay, there's a lot of room in there, which is perfect for my Disney trips. The inside is a little bit stained, but for me that does not matter because as long as the outside looks good, I don't care what the inside looks like. As long as it's functioning, and yeah, I would actually 100% wear this. Alright, so the very last item is, oh, this is actually really cute. It is a long pearl necklace with a little removable pendant on it, which is a flower. I am a gold girl, so don't know if I would wear this, but it is cute if you like silver, so not knocking it. I probably should have mentioned that I like gold. I don't think I did. So that's my fault. So yeah, that was everything in the box. I thought this was so much fun to do, so thank you RedBird for sending this to me. this was just so fun, and it was like Christmas. You guys, comment down below your favorite. Obviously mine was the Disneyland Tinkerbell set. They're so cute, oh my god. Where do you even buy this stuff? Like, do they even still make these anymore? I don't know, well, I'm pretty sure they do, but do they make them like this anymore? Because I want to buy more now. I just want all of them. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe, and make sure you check out my other videos if you haven't already. And I will see you in the next one.